So we got a pretty good battery charger here. I think it's about like $75 or $85, and I can't pronounce his name. It's like Schumacher I think it's like some German brand. It can go up to 100 amps. It is a smart charger, and so it can do your trickle charge and can do your starting, but it is at some point it mainly is a smart charger, meaning that if the battery isn't very high in voltage a little bit or has some kind of charge, it will stop working, like your kind of like smart cheap chargers. But this one does have like engine start, so if you hit this button, the green LED goes to 100 amps. It will just send out a lot of power, so in that way it is not a smart charger. And so that's awesome, because some batteries are just some battery testers are the smart ones, and that can give you into trouble sometimes. So you just have your regular battery clamps and just positive, negative. It doesn't do this automatically. You have to pick the battery type yourself. So most batteries out there for cars are standard. If you see the word AGM, put AGM. You rarely get a gel for cars, so it could be bolts and things like that. And then this one says battery, so you can't even test or choose. And then I don't know if the model number is back here. Model SC1281. So that's this. It's been working good for years. I feel like it is somewhat good for weather, because it's been underneath cars and weathered, and it's still working good. And then when you're charging, it'll turn orange here, and when it's done, it'll turn green. And then once in a while, it'll give you the voltage and the percentage. So let's say it'll like treadmill, where while you're running, sometimes it goes over to like how much percentage the battery is full, and like it's 20%. It's like a countdown, or it counts up. I can't remember, but notice that, and as it works, the percentage is going to change.